Hello, art friends. We're gonna be drawing that big, gruffy character from Harry Potter, Hagrid. Oh, I've had quite a few requests, so here we go. All right, man, this guy is really hairy. He's got kind of a V on his hairline, and he's mostly hair. I'm telling you, this guy's super hairy. There's his mustachio. Woo! And his beard. And let's do some eye line here. He's got very all right, you guys keep on in pencil. I'm gonna go with marker so you can see it. All right, so we're gonna start right here. I know you're saying, what? With the mouth? Yes. Then we're gonna have a line here, and we're gonna keep this line wavy, wavy, because this is his beard. Then we're gonna come over here, draw a nose. Okay, so that was kind of a V, down to another V, back to a V. Then we've got his beard, mustache, excuse me. And that comes around, and then we've got his big old Hagrid beard. And I'm trying to make it just really organic, kind of flowing in all over the directions. All right, so then for his eye, we're gonna come in here and we're just gonna make some squinty Hagrid eyes. Just like that. And I've got about the same amount of room between them as they are wide. And then I'm gonna just draw kind of more of a straight line underneath. Go. Leave the shine in them. Here's his one eyebrow, nice and raised. And then he's got kind of a line coming up his head. There's the other eyebrow, not quite as raised. Draw some eye lines on him, eyelid lines. Go. Then up here, I'm gonna draw his hairline, and then we're gonna have his face kind of come out and back in, out and back in. And then we're gonna have hair, all sorts of hair, lots of hair. All right, now for the rest of Hagrid. So we're gonna do a teeny tiny little V here. I'm gonna go down. I have E here. And we're gonna have a belt. have a jacket. We're gonna do his arm. And we're just gonna put a little round line here. Let's just do it easy style. Like so. We'll cover that up. Put some buttons. And now for the legs. Boink, boink, boink. Really little Hagrid boots. And there we go. It's Hagrid. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.